Here we go. Tier 1, number 8. Good luck. A Bo Jackson jersey, 68 of 199, going to the White Sox. Joe Buz. Alcantara, New Guard auto, 300 of 399. Going to the Cubs, Michael, PLU. Nice hit.
This guarantee we're literally putting our money where our mouth is. No, we're not literally. I literally wouldn't do that. That's lame.
And Matt Williams. Tier 1 acclaimed auto. 63 of 399.
Someone will give you your money. Someone at Heineken.
Who's that going to? Diamondbacks. Stephanie EDG. And that'll do it for Tier 1, number 8. I think that means he wants your Rose Ball.
Let's check out the first place Astros. You glad you sit on the mound?
That was funny. Rose cough cough.
Carl Square makes them look like a big league team. But before that, they didn't. He is so athletic and so smooth that he takes them to another level. He just does. And that's what they, as they say, that's what they look like. Dallas Keuchel gets another win. Let's go out to Anaheim. Mike Trout, ball, nice on him. It almost looked like he didn't want to walk. Yeah. Right. Yeah. I can believe that. I was just told that in his last at bat, he threw his bat thinking he walked, and it was strike 3. Oh, that's why he's sticking around this time. Robbie Ray, by the way, we might have a developing story out there. We'll keep you posted. Talon Walker against Brandon Crawford. Up the middle, Brad Miller. Got him. Nice. You know, Brad Miller's best plays are when he has to be fluid in his motions and not think. 1-1 is the score there in the 4th. The San Francisco Giants, 4 games over. They've lost a few in a row, 4 straight. If there's been one constant performer for this club, many of you think it's Buster Posey, but he actually got out of the gate kind of slowly. Is having a career year.
All right. Where are we at?
The bat has jumped to an entirely different level. Last year in July and August, hit under 200.
Tier 1, number 26 is inching closer. Museum mini box is full. Tribute mini box is full. And then Tier 1, number 26 at 4 teams left. Diamondbacks, Indians, Brewers, and Phillies. They are 15% off.
His hands got away from him last year. And this year, taking that position, I call it a tuck position, where he's got the hand
I know that Johnson might be worth a little bit more than that ball.
where the hand and the torso work together.
It's pretty close, but
From his body.
I think the card beats it out. By just a fuzz. Maybe. What do you guys want next? Tribute, since that filled first. Alright, tribute it is. Let me start a fresh video. We got Tribute Pack 20 coming up next.
Johnny Peralta is still the guy at short, and so many people just, it's hard. Crawford's what they look like at short. Peralta maybe not. Oh, there you go, Harold. Yeah, I like it. The flip was perfect, right? Did you like the backhanded toss?
Yeah, that's the only way you make this play close. Yeah, look, you got the hitter swinging on a run. Albert's out front reaching, so now he's leaning towards first base on the takeoff. This looks like he's safe.
Yeah.
And so you come get it and you make the backhand flip. Been preaching that all night. I might preach that for a while.
I think you should.
Oh, he's out.
Wow.
Yeah, come on.
I'm with you, Mike. You must be looking at something different than the rest of us.
His reaction is perfect. I tell you what, we've been dumbfounded on some plays a lot.
I agree, and I don't know why that happens as often as it does.
The only thing you can think of is maybe they thought of it as a tie, bang, bang, at the same time. The foot got there at the same time the ball was in the glove, and if it's a tie, you go with the ball.
I mean, you
Go
go
with the ball, let it stand?
No.
You can go with it in the cylinder. We've heard all kinds, but
He beat that.
yeah.
Well, Robbie Ray, 4 innings, no hits, developing story there in Anaheim. One story we're